Hello everyone, welcome to the first live stream of December. Well, this is going to be a bit of an extreme. Let me just unplug the USB stick, because this is a bonus stream, because I'm hoping, IBS pending, I'll do my usual gaming stream in the evening. And I think I wanted to do this earlier this afternoon, but I couldn't because varying things held me up. But today we'll be setting up a work laptop dedicated just for me to bring in to my job every month where I have to do a presentation. Now, I already have a laptop, which is this one right here, the 2017 Surface Book. I was hoping it would turn on. There we go. The 2017 Surface Book. It's alright, it's cool. It's an overall alright device. It's a bit slow for animation, but the reason why I'm not bringing this into work is because I don't feel comfortable bringing in a £2,300 laptop, because that's how much this thing more or less cost when it was brand new. Certainly doesn't cost that much anymore, but it does. They used to, so that's why I don't feel comfortable about it. So instead, I bought this second-hand RM Notebook 310, which you might be able. Yeah, you can just about see the logo right there. I bought this old RM notebook for about £80 plus an SSD to replace the mechanical hard drive. So if I do sell this on, I don't have to worry about, you know, company data getting leaked due to the simple fact that mechanical hard drives don't completely erase it. There's still a little remnants of it left on the hard drive, so I don't have to worry about that. And also because I want to format the drive and put Linux onto this, because not originally, but when I got this, it had Windows 10, so I removed the hard drive, still got Windows 10 on it, put in a Kingston SSD, which is actually the same SSD in New Octane for the Windows installation, and we're going to go from there. So that's the notebook, and we're going to get more or less started. I just need to... Oh, this is going to take a bit of time, but I need... Oh, don't know what I pressed, but I pressed something. Get that over here. Then I got to connect the HDMI and Ethernet, because that has not been connected yet. So I can show you what I'm doing through the capture box. So HDMI goes here. Lost the USB stick. Maybe I wasn't so wise to remove it. I've lost the USB stick. We're on to an amazing start so far. I was hoping to get this do this. Yeah, so just purely because I want to do my client stuff as well. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that now, which is like, I'm actually going to turn this down slightly. Not that down, but sort of like that. Now then, the matter of where the name, where in there might is the USB stick. Oh, good. My actual laptop was forgotten the Google Drive thing. That's good. That's fine. I'll just sort that later. Oh, there it is. Found it. Right, let's see buy my drink. So here it is, the USB stick. So we'll just plug that in here. And we'll get started. I'm going to tell you, I don't like the texture feel of the trackpad. That's like, the main gripe. But the reason I went with an old laptop is because A, it's cheap. But the reason I went with this specific laptop is because it has HDMI. And because I don't know if the... There we go. And because I don't know, resume from hibernation. What do you mean hibernation? Okay, no signal. That's always a good sign. So, I got this specific laptop because it's HDMI. Because the company I'm working for is a relatively new one. I don't know how new the projector is. It might be something that might not even support VGA. So, because I would have to get an adapter if I got like I don't know, like an RMN Book 4200, meant that just meant, oh, there you go, Capture Box recognized it, there it is. It means like the I decided to get something relatively new, not too new, but relatively new, where it would have HDMI and this, that, and everything else that I would probably need. This thing is only going to be used for presentations. Like, it's not going to be used for actual work, because I can do that here as a work at home job. So because of... Wow, I see a cursor there, but I don't see a cursor on my actual screen. But because I am not... Gee, that's way up in some there. Oh, it's because... Oh, it's a secondary screen. That's right. It's just... That's why it's... So let's just change the screen so you can see what I'm doing. But yeah, that's more or less it. It's just because I need HDMI for the projector. But it's old and it's not terribly powerful, but that's fine for what I planned to use this for. But having said that, KDE is definitely being a lot snappier than I thought. Now, the main thing I'm worried about with this is actually... Honestly, it's the fact if this thing is actually, if you know everything's going to work with it. I mean, it's detected as a laptop. I actually heard Fedora is not the best device for, you know, operating system for laptops, but I've done with it anyway. So we'll see where this goes. Hold on, I'm looking for screens. Gonna look for screens and then go from there. Display and monitor. There we go. See, I'm not used to having like actual trackpad buttons now. Everything doesn't click. It's just not used to it. Laptop screen. Yep. I would like you to mirror it if I would you kindly. If it doesn't even work. Oh no, it actually Avox Electronics AVT, Ava Media. I'm guessing that's meant to be. I don't want to rearrange them. I would like to mirror them. But it doesn't enable me. I don't. There's gotta be a way to mirror these things. Compositor, maybe? That is not it. I'll just drag this over so you can see what I'm doing. It means, so like I'm looking right now for I'm looking for actually maybe it's a function key. That might help if I actually use a function key to execute this. So where's that would be function F2. No, that's literally just turns on the backlight. That's literally useless. Maybe F7? Okay, unify outputs. Maybe this is it. Oh, way! More or less. Yeah, so let's see. Apply. Ooh, kinda. Maybe if I temporarily turn this to like, cause you can say it's not standard. Wait, you can't even turn down the resolution on this. Why? These are not great options. Not great options at all. Oh yeah, there's some color differences as well. Ooh, you really do not like that, do you? You're not liking this. Because ever so slightly a different resolution. Like, ever so slightly. And unfortunately, that's also the case of I cannot change it, so... that's mighty regrettable. And this is probably the problem with using laptops. It's not specifically designed for, Linux. It's just get these odd quirks. Oh, can I actually just do that? Is that actually an option? Yes, it technically is. We was... What? No. Thank you. Oh, frack. Well, let's do it like here. Not like that, but like here, this sort of thing. It's not ideal, but we just have to make do with it, unfortunately. Oh yeah, the capture button is really not heavy. That's some starter, which I'm not getting. Well, let's just get started and install this. Oh, there you go. So yeah, welcome to Fedora 35. Ironically enough, this laptop, which is never going to go online, it's got a newer version of Linux than what New Octane has. So I'm not entirely sure how that's happened, but it's going to happen nonetheless. We want that one. Yeah, the SSD that I have specifically installed for this task. What do you mean no installation disk selected? There we go. When I say I want that SSD, I mean I want that SSD. Reclaim the space. Yeah, okay. Yeah, unsurprisingly. This is SSD second hand, so of course it would have to be formatted. Delete. Oh. Reclaim space. There you go. And let's create my user. So it'll be Matthew, preferably not in all caps. With my password being like I'm going to tell you. Wouldn't you like to know? Wait, no, that's not completely right. Just going to change to here. Hi, how are you doing? It's because I actually want to see what I've typed. Yes, that is indeed correct. And you will never know. And done. Then after that, just begin installation. And I would just wait. It shouldn't take terribly long because of the oh, it's only 4 PM. Okay, it's only 1600 hours. Darn, how much would it be doing my current stuff for that? But it shouldn't take that long to install because even though it's a USB 2 interface, it's not a terribly big operating system, so it shouldn't take that long to do. Although I don't know where. Oh no, there's the drive indicators. So yeah. This is in one Fedora 35. However, I did in a VM a known version of Fedora 35 just before I upgrade New Octane again to said version, because last time I tried, applications were not working, like Proton VPN and Discord. I haven't tried Discord yet, but Proton VPN is working properly in Fedora 35, so that in itself is a good sign. Just need to check with Discord if that launches properly, because it wasn't launching at all when I last tried to upgrade. Then New Octane, most likely, when, I'm going to turn that up again slightly. When New Octane will eventually, not this week or next week, because I've got to be at a military training club on the single day I can upgrade to Fedora 35. But definitely by the end of the month, I'll be running the latest and greatest version if Discord runs well. So that is the plan. It's a reasonably good plan. We're only at 21%. Oh yeah, it's because it's an SSD. That means it will also hopefully means it won't take as long as it probably would do otherwise. So yeah, you can see what it's doing. Really wish I could manually change it to be okay. Go to 720p. Yes, I know. Thank you. But because you can see it's not recognized as a standard thing. Okay, sure. I mean, I'm going to be careful not to knock that. I'm going to quickly disable the capture box and re-enable it. See what that does in terms of lagginess. Deactivate. Activate. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. I like that from when my Elgato did that during my physics stream. What was it called? The game. What was the game called? I can literally just check the archive. So your video, it was something. Bro, that's it. So it was Bro that base. Oh, what do you know? It actually fixed the color problem as well. All it was just needed a quick restart. Okay, fixed the color problem. That was not something I was conceiving that was going to fix. So, can I stop playing that using bandwidth? Thank you. So yeah, I'm hoping to do that. I didn't mean to do that. With any luck I can, that would be really good if I can upgrade to you know, that I can upgrade to have that one of the latest and greatest software, because it looks good from my brief interaction when I last upgraded. So hopefully it will work properly. Oh, yep, it's catching up now. Because I didn't mean to click that. Just close. So yeah. Again, I went for Fedora because I use Fedora on my main workstation. I just chose a different interface from GNOME, just purely because GNOME doesn't have the for the background I want to use on this laptop. It doesn't have the kind of options I need that I know that Plasma has, and it actually has nothing to do with the Steam Deck, because I know the Steam Deck has Plasma pre-installed as well, but that has nothing to do with why I chose the KDE Plasma. Like, none whatsoever. Would you believe? Really, it's like you could just manually like rescale it sort of thing. So yeah, it doesn't really like that. So it's interesting how it like does that, but it doesn't even show the thing on this. So very interesting how it does that. And I really wish you could just change one or the other. That would be most ideal. Or let's have that in between, like have best of both worlds sort of thing. It would be quite, again, ideal. So there we go. So in the bootloader, I'm not sure if it's going to be UEFI. I'm surprised. It's kind of this boots from USB, because I was kind of worried, because it's running running 6 gigabytes of RAM, a Intel Core i3 2310M at 2.3 GHz, which basically is the same cores and threads as my Don Surface Book, which probably will be the same performance. If I ever had half a brain, I probably would have remembered I wanted to put Blender on this memory stick along with one of my project files to see how fast it would run. Just on pure curiosity, but no, completely forgot to do that, so that's a big old oof on my front. I'm not seeing that. Why aren't I? Have you stopped playing? No, you haven't. I'm just wondering why you were doing that. So yeah, I mean that's basically everything. I mean there's more I want to say, but I'm going to save something for this afternoon's stream. Because otherwise I won't have anything. It's going to be an awkward mess. So, bleh. Over the bleh in that regard. Surprised how little activity there is on the SSD, yeah? I'm going to be real with you. So, yeah. How's everyone today? I hope everyone's had a good week. Mine has been overall, but I will talk again more about that come my actual stream this afternoon. Creating users, generating into RAMFS, initialize RAMFS or something like that. Unfortunately, it's too dark now that I can't actually do a screen, because I was hoping to like take a photo on my phone, so I could use that so I could get a thumbnail out for this live stream tomorrow, which would probably go up at the same time as my actual gaming live stream. So it is what it is. The photos that's installed on your system is ready to use. Hooray! Like, I'm hoping I don't have to install any special drivers. I'm just hoping, honestly, that I can just use the built-in open source drivers in Linux. That would be most ideal. Restart. Same with the trackpad, really. Technically, it's supposed to do the touch thing, but it obviously doesn't support that. So we're gonna restart, and hopefully, it doesn't try to boot into the memory stick. Yep. Oh. Okay. RM education. Yes. Nope. Try to do that again. No. Okay. That's not entirely what I want. So we're just gonna take this out, and we're gonna turn forces off and turn it back on. There we go. Wait for it to boot, and then we put this back in because we've got some extra stuff in here that I want to use this to set up. Yep, there we go. KDE Plasma. Maybe just images sort of thing. Just how I want to set this up in a very specific way. So if we can do that, that will be most ideal. So I want to try to make this look like similar to like RM Community Connect 3. Originally I was, wow, that's actually perfect. Wow, that was ideal. You were like exact same size and everything. Yeah, I want to have this as similar to Community Connect 3, so with the logon bar, the logon background, the actual background sort of thing. The only thing different from it would be like the avatar would be from Community Connect 4, because this is an RM avatar. When I put like RM's like looking stuff on it, and actually it takes some time. I'm not a graphic designer, you would tell that it's not completely accurate, but both the avatar and I don't like it recreated the icon for RM Explorer. It's not 100% accurate, but it's alright sort of thing. So so yeah, I'm gonna have it look like a bit like, because it is an RM laptop, so I'm gonna have it look like it's got one in Community Connect 3 sort of thing on it, among other things. Oh, yep, and you had it wide, then you lost it. I know for a fact that you're just gonna be causing trouble again. I can feel it. Dark theme. Let's just get that squared off right away. Now, get hardware, display, and monitor. Can I actually change it now? No, I cannot. So that's the thing, because you did actually mirror it fine. So, I mean, it solves that problem, but I can't see what I'm doing now. And I didn't mean to press that button. Switch to laptop screen, unify output, extend to left, extend to right, leave unchanged. I mean, why does it like, when I say unify, I mean like I wanted to unify it, so it shouldn't be that much of a difficult concept to grasp, but alas, here we are. Fuck, you can see what it's doing, and I'm not much appreciating it. It's not even at the right resolution. Hello? How can it like go white for a while and then just does not? You'd think that it wouldn't be able to do that, but alas, here we are. Somehow done it. Yeah, there we go. It's not that. I mean, alternatively, I can literally just, so you can see what I'm exactly doing, because obviously this is not ideal. Projector, create output projector. Nope, I wanted to create a source projector. Create a source projector. Hopefully it doesn't lag it too much. We'll find out very quickly. Oh, it does. Ah, and I know it doesn't do it on Linux. So that is literally does not help. Ah. Oh, it's just doing it anyway. It's just doing it. Okay. So we just create source projector and we'll turn it off and on and see what that does. Deactivate. Activate. There we go. Okay, so do this. There you go. So now you can see what I'm doing. Just have to turn it down slightly so I see what I'm doing. But so yeah, let's get started. So pictures. Gonna have to create. There you go. So in here, I created a few specific folders on top of everything else because of the things I want. So it should be here. I'm already getting immediately worried. I don't see it. Nope, there it is. It's under removable devices. That's why I can't see it. There we go. Hello, nurse. Pictures. There you go. And these are what I want. So, copy here. So, we got quite a few things. So, let's start with this. I suppose it's not going to go any smaller, is it? Nope, didn't think so. Fact. Well, let's have it a lock screen sort of thing. Was I saw here workspace behavior? I think it was. No. Frack. We don't mind. Frack knows where it was. But so we're just gonna start. System settings. There we go. Screen locking. No. No. So I don't really like I don't really like the trackpad that much, but the keyboard is for what it is and what it was at the price point. Like another point at this, like this costs like £300-400, which means like it's a better build quality than if I bought a modern sub £200 notebook. Bigger screen, better build quality, so overall it's just a lot more ideal. Configure desktop and wallpaper. So we're gonna go scaled, and we're gonna go with add image, backgrounds, CC3, and we're gonna apply that. There we go, much better. Next up, icons. No. There was another icon thing, but it's only one there. Speaking of which, I need to change this to Task Manager, switch. So here we go with that. Fuck, why? Don't want to crop it. I want it exactly like that. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So there we go. So next up is to set the user account thing, which again is from CC4. This one. So you know, it is what it is. Trying to think. Yes, it'll be under users. Can't scroll in this. Okay. So KDE Connect, no. User feedback. In theory, I saw there is users. Gonna change that. Choose file. UI mods. Avatar. My connect student recreation it from CC4. And now go to apply. Type in my password. I like how much trial resistance this thing has. There we go. So now if I press that, there it is. That's about local self. Yep. Yes, very good, very good. Next up is icons. Install get new icons, Windows XP because I've seen it and I have it installed my little testing, a little test fit thing. Windows XP. And it was somewhere here. I'll know it when I see it. I mean, I'm also going to get that as well. It's not what I'm after. Windows NT icon pack. No. Where is it? Where? Icon. Nope. GIMP tool. Like, no. Windows like triangle. Very nice. But no, it's not what I'm after. I saw it. I know I've seen it because I have it on my other one. There it is. That is the one I'm looking for. Use. It will ask for my password. Oh, it won't. That also works. There. So, yep. Cursors, light fonts, Windows decorations, and a splash screen. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think there's going to be anything I want, is there? That's not the right one. Alright, then where does the space? That is regrettable. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work. I'm trying to scroll down on that. Ain't gonna with my actual mouse. That ain't gonna work. See, that's just not what I want. Let's try Win XP. See what that gets us. I have to look for the keys. Yeah, no, I don't particularly want that. So I don't want that kind of thing. I want the genuine article sort of thing. And because I can't, it probably means I won't do anything about it. What happens if I type in Vista by any chance? Be upset if it finds anything. Yep, anything in there. So, I mean, overall, that's fine. So I want to change the background services. No. Wow, you're a little useless, I swear. I mean, we can go move on to this, but I definitely want to change this. Okay, so get new because I want Materia because that has the most like Community Connect 3 like thing out of all of them. So Materia, and I would like that one. Yes, obviously that one. Type my password in. No, that is not the right password. If I forgot my password already, I'm gonna be upset. Okay. Okay, I was not expecting to make that sound. Okay, at least I know the sound drivers are working. the default sound driver, so that's good. Won't need it, but it's good nevertheless. There we go. Okay, that was an error. Let's try that again. Oh, that's not a good sign. Oh no, it's there. Well, color me surprised. Well, let's go with you. Apply. Type in the password again. Now I believe it was this one. No, that was for preview. That's not what I want. So it was this one. Load from file. Pictures. Backgrounds. CC. Communicate the login background. And hello bot. And ban. See you later bot. You're out of here. Something is amiss here. I don't much appreciate it. Can we refresh that? Because I don't particularly want that there. Nope. Chat overlay. True chat. Nope, it actually disappeared itself. Hooray! There you go. So that's going to be that. Type in my password again. Then we can just continue on our way. Let's also unpin these things. Okay, so we want to go home. Thank you. Very helpful. Not really, but hey, oh. Still saying what we're going the lock screen. Screen locking. Appearance, there it is, that's what I'm looking for. Yep, that's going to be that one, scaled. So, apply. So now, if I lock it. Yeah, exactly as it should be. And then, yep, that's the icon, so. I know I didn't type, oh, I did type that incorrectly, much to my own surprise. Okay, so that's basically customization done. We're just going to drag that here. Link. You didn't do that. Fracking. Those icons. You didn't do. Yeah, this is not something you did in the simulation. Oh, fuck, that's cool. Pin, if you could kindly, that would help. There we go. So, and then create new folder would be called MISC. Again, this is not what you did last time, so I don't know why you're doing it now. Change that. Or you could manually change that then, but for now, browse. Pictures. UI mods. Icons. RM icons. RM Explorer 2. Okay. And that'll be and then this one, if I can change this to the documents icon, I will be happy. Yes, there we go. Not ideal, but hey, or maybe a restart will persuade it. See things my way. So let's disconnect this. Can we eject this? Safely remove. There we go. And I'll put this in packaging, put the name for what it is, and we'll be off to the races laughing. But okay, next up is also. So yeah, next up, MISC. Create new. So it should be here. Applications or app. Which will change this to another icon. Browse. Pictures. UI mods. Avatars. No icons. More is for WOM apps. And then from there we go to Office. So like what I'm only going to use that, so we'll just move that in here. Link. And there we go. So to make sure it actually loads properly, we're just going to first unpin that. Fuck, if it could just work. Yeah, we does not give you a chance, does it? There you go. Fuck. There you go. I bested you. So now, let's restart. Like, do an actual restart sort of thing. And we'll see what it looks like. So now it's restarting. Just give it a probably sense of just logging out, logging in sort of thing. See what we do. We already have 15 minutes. And we should like to do like a general update sort of thing. When I mean general update, I mean like, make sure the software is up to date, because it won't be going online after this. So it'll be the only time it will be online. So we'll see how well this looks. Gee, the backlight bleed is really something. It's not color accurate at all, so I wouldn't be able to do any work on it even if I wanted to. That's bright. But wow, yeah, welcome to welcome to Unknown. Wow, you did a better job on the VM. Know what it was. But yeah, wow, that is really close. And that does look like the community Connect 3 sort of login background, right down to the banding on the background. So yeah, that's really cool. That's great. You would love to see it. So that's exactly as I want. I would ideally like to type in my username as well, but I can't seem to find out how to do that in SDDM, which is the logon manager for KDE Plasma. So, didn't like that, did it? Okay. Okay, next problem, I have forgotten my password. There we go. So we'll now load like that. And then, yeah, there it is. The document's all shown correctly. So this is where I create like a LibreOffice Impress sort of thing. But yeah, that's good. That is most ideal. Yes, I am aware. So yeah, that is good. It's more or less set up as I want it to. So wow, there's a lot of updates. Okay, how do I tell it to update it? That's gonna be my next question. answer, I don't apparently. Libre off Office no Office Impress. And just go like that sort of thing. We always say just doesn't do it. Oh. Execute. There you go. And then I can just load up my presentation, boopty boppity boop, we're off to the races laughing. So yeah, technically I also had a community connect for recreational background based on the Windows 10 background for CC4, but I decided not to use that because I'm saving that specifically for still playing, it is playing, yes. So I just wanted to make sure that the that you know the that I want to use that because it's a special machine, so I want to use that background for that because like it's what I'm reserving it for. So yeah, that's that. But I mean, other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Got the Windows XP sort of icon thing. We've got one for. We've got something for my applications, the MISC folder. Which again, you can see I'm not a graphic designer, so it's not 100% white, but it looks pretty decent regardless. Now, how I'm probably going to have it done is that I am probably going to have it like both sort of thing, so extend to white, probably. So what would that look like? I mean, not like that. That's what I had in mind. That is not what I had in mind. Sure. Okay. So let's try that again. Oh, that's brightness. Let's just switch this to laptop screen. Okay, sure. You just bear with me. Background is not set. So apply. Oh, you didn't, did you? Fuck, we have a problem. Okay, so okay, so display monitor. There we go. Then we just drag these over here. That is, oh, fuck, I've lost my MISC folder. Nope, there's my MISC folder. And we just, rules will be like, you know, apply to everything. But yeah, we got the main stuff on the actual display itself, so that's good. And again, if I extend to the left. Oh, I actually remembered it. Okay. Extend to white. Yeah, okay, it's remembering the background choice now, so that's good. That is, you know, ideal. So I'm just gonna load up LibreOffice again. LibreOffice Impress. And this is like blue curve sort of thing. So just gonna do that. Words and text and stuff. And I'll just keep it like that. Now when I press F5, yeah, it gets used what I intended for, which would be a presentation thing, talk about stuff, words and text. And yeah. Perfect. Literally could not be more ideal, even if it tried. So yeah, I think on that note we can you already seen the desktop, because this is just going to be those two icons. Documents I missed. Sure, it's not entirely what I want, but you know, I'll make it work. Leave, log out. Oh yeah, that actually shows on both screens. Okay. So yeah, and it just goes back to that Community Connect like login background, which is good. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna leave the live stream here. Thank you for joining me for the last hour setting up this laptop. I knew it wasn't gonna be it wasn't gonna be a massive task, it's purely because it. Oh yeah, I forgot updates. Forgot about the updates. Dang it, I was gonna leave it on the lock screen, but obviously that's not gonna happen. So then that. So yeah, while I get like that going sort of thing, discover. Where's updates? Settings. Update. Yes, there we are. We was like, nope, it's gonna close. You know what? Oh nope, it's installing. Installing it with speed and haste. So yeah, while it's doing that, because I. Oh, okay. So yeah, on that note, we restarts. We can does everything we want to, have the white backgrounds and everything. So on that note, while it's updating, we're gonna leave the live stream here. I'm gonna go as archived, as I want to try to spend a bit of time on my client's video. So yeah, on that note, we're gonna leave the live stream there. So thank you so much for watching this live stream. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a little bit different, a little bit unique. As always, the archive will be on YouTube, and you'll find me again at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. GMT tonight. So I wish you to have a good evening, and I'll see you guys later. IBS pending. Like, really gotta clarify that IBS pending thing, because IBS is a pain. But I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.